Hi there! Do you want to watch me solving 3 math and linear equations questions from the SAT? I know you do. Let's do it and see what's first on my question list. We are looking at page 42, number 9. So, a realtor is studying the graph above, which shows the expected value of properties in her area over the next 24 years. If T represents the number of years after 2014, which, looking at my title, is basically starting right here, so that makes things nice and straightforward. In what year should the increase in property values start to slow down? Now, increase in property values slowing down isn't the same thing as them starting to decrease, so I am anticipating some kind of trick with this. So here we've got 2 different slopes, right? We've got this one which is going up faster, this one which is going up slower, and this one which is going down. So the point where it starts increasing more slowly is the point where it's just increasing not quite as fast, which is right here, as opposed to over here where it starts decreasing. So this, 8 years after 2014, is going to be 2022, answer choice C. And I am going to try another. Page 46, number 28, flipping forward. Okay. What is the slope of the line shown in the graph above? Awesome. Okay, so I am going to want my slope formula, rise over run. I'm just going to pick myself 2 points. Let's go with the y-intercept, which is nice and handy. That's 0, 5. This one over here looks like it's going to be right on the line, so 6, 1. And slope. So m equals y2, so this is 0.1, 0.2, x, y, x, y, and y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is 5, and then x2 minus x1. So that's negative 4 over 6, which I simplify down to negative 2/3, and that is answer choice B. Awesome. All right, one more. We're going to do page 40, number 3. Let us see what we've got. All right. A local restaurant is hosting a dance-a-thon, awesome, for charity. Each couple must dance a minimum of 3 hours before earning any money for the charity. Better have good stamina. After the first 3 hours, couples earn $50 per half hour of continuous dancing. There's going to be some kind of trick involved in that half hour because you just want to think of it in terms of $50 per hour. So I'm going to have to keep that in mind. It's really $100 per hour. Which expression represents the total amount earned by a couple that dances H hours, assuming they dance at least 3 hours? So they earn $100 per hour. And if they dance H hours, it's $100 times H, except that they don't earn anything for the first 3 hours, which means we need to take away those 3 hours in order to find our correct amount. Now this doesn't quite match any of my answer choices, but if I distribute that 100 through 100H minus 300, that does match answer choice D. So there I go. That was fun, right? You know what to do next. Subscribe to our channel and check out some other videos that we made for you.